How to edit About You on Facebook profile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can edit your About You on your Facebook profile. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, you'll need to open up your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you've done that, you can then move on to the menu option that you'll find at the bottom right. Tap on menu, and there you'll see your profile on the top. Tap on your profile to simply head over to your timeline or basically your profile. And after you're here, there you will see an option that says edit profile right besides add a story or right below your name. All you have to do is tap on edit profile and you should be on the edit profile section. So from here, you will be able to edit your profile picture, avatar, your bio, and everything else. So your About You is basically everything under here. So it can include your bio, your details, and everything else. So if you want to edit it, you can add a bio. Just tap on edit option or add option that you'll see right besides it. So let me just write this, tap on save on the top right, and it should start saving. You can also edit the details about your uh, workplace education, everything from here. And finally, tap on the save button to save it. And after you head back to your profile, the About You on your profile will just change. And that's how you edit it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more.